Welcome to 1505 Harding Place here in the heart of Green Hills, and behind me is a new construction, move-in ready home built by Craftsman Residential. It's 5 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, and just under 6,500 square feet. And what you're going to immediately notice about this home is its front elevation architecture, which is unique to Nashville. You have steel doors, you have massive windows, and you have a metal roof. But before we go inside, I also want to mention that you have this oversized motor court right when you enter the driveway, and on both sides you have 2 true car garages. I'm Brandon Johns with the Coleman Johns Group. Now let's take a look inside. As soon as you enter this home, I first want to point out the level of detail that you'll find throughout. You're first met with these peacock paved tile floors and this beautiful millwork that leads right into your formal dining room. You have oversized windows and just an intimate feel. You could easily host 8 to 10 people in here and enjoy a nice dinner. Now, let me show you one of my favorite parts about this home. It's right here inside the kitchen. As soon as you enter the kitchen, you'll immediately notice your 2 oversized islands, and what you would typically see here would be your informal dining table. But what's great about what Craftsman Residential decided to do is put another island here, and it makes it just great for entertaining. As you can see, you can easily sit 8 people around this island. Also, you're gonna notice that your appliances are paneled. So you have 2 sub-zero column units here, and you'll also notice their custom cabinetry throughout the entire kitchen. Now, one of my favorite parts about the kitchen is above your 4-foot wolf range, you have this custom range hood that was uniquely designed for this home. Another thing that I just love about any Craftsman Residential build is their working pantry. So come take a look at this one. So this is where the magic happens. You have a wall of windows, your second dishwasher, and you'll also notice that you have your peacock paved tile floors, same as the foyer, and you also have your 3rd sub-zero column unit here. You could easily fit 5 people working in here, your chef, your bartender, while they're preparing everything for your guests while you entertain in the main level of living. So here we are in the great room, and what you're going to immediately notice is these elevated ceilings paired with these massive windows that let in so much natural light and just bring some life to the space. You have this unique, modern linear fireplace, and what I love is this marble actually matches the marble over here on your wet bar. Now, like I said before, Craftsman's known for their details. You have your paneled fridge here and your custom cabinetry as well. So this is the place where after a long day or a nice dinner, you can come back, make yourself a drink, sit back, relax, and enjoy some family time. But if that doesn't get you excited, wait until you see the primary suite. So here we are in the primary suite, and what you're going to immediately notice is the amount of natural light in this room. I think it's probably the most out of every room in the entire house. It gives it just a very lively feel. And you'll also notice that you have elevated ceilings with beams that just add some great detail inside of this room. You also have these massive windows that lead straight into your backyard where you have mature trees and just a great sense of privacy. Walking into your primary bathroom, you have dual vanities separated by your floating tub. And what I want to point out to you is these floors are actually heated, that you can switch on right inside here. You also have a zero-edge shower with a marble backsplash. And this marble bench right here actually took 6 people just to get it inside here. As you come upstairs, you're going to immediately notice the width of this staircase. It's actually 4 feet wide. You also have your rec room here to the right, your second powder bath here, and then down this hallway is your main home office. As you enter, you'll notice the sleek sliding glass doors, your wall of windows, and you even have a built-in custom cabinet that just adds a ton of detail to your home office. Now, I do want to point out, like I said earlier, you actually have 2 work from home spaces in this home. You have this home office, but also a drop station when you enter from the garage that has a built-in desk. Now, before we head outside, you also have your 3 other bedrooms, all en suite, and your second laundry room. But now let's go take a look at the private backyard. So coming outside, you have this screened-in patio that just adds to the entertainment factor of this home. So you can enjoy a nice meal out here or watch the game on a Saturday, and you don't have to worry about bugs bothering you. Now, this also leads out to your terrace right off of this dual-sided fireplace. And here in your backyard, remember, this is an acre lot. So you have plenty of space to do any additions to your backyard. Like down the line, if you want to add a pool, that can easily be done. Now, if you're interested in seeing this home or have any questions about it, contact Craftsman Residential at their information below. Thanks so much for watching.